Look at that. One customer and your sales a success.
Right? Actually, it is. So yes.
You can't beat that.
And that was for the bread maker or the
bread maker. I already gave you 5.
You did?
I thought so. Morning.
Morning. How's it going?
Pretty good. Is this a pop-up yard sale too?
I'm sorry.
Oh, you're fine.
Yes, so I have
Said,
wood hearing.
I said I see this pop-up yard sale.
I know.
I didn't even see your ad.
No, she put one out, so I.
Ah, okay, yeah. I came for hers, but they're still setting up, and you looked pretty ready. Oh, this hat is so cool. I used to have this when I was a kid.
Yeah, my kids got it for my husband, and
Yeah.
they're all grown up now.
I gotta add it to mine. But yeah, I figured come over here. You looked all ready to go. Oh, we got some toys. Oh, these are cool. Does that make like cornbread?
They do.
Oh, that's neat.
We have, yeah, we like cast iron, and we only cook in cast iron, so
Huh.
we enjoy it.
Yeah, that's cool.
All different types out there.
That's funny. Oh. It's like a paper cutter.
It's
is that what that is?
actually a cement.
Ah, tile.
Tile cutter.
There you go. Okay. Yeah.
There you go. Hey,
Hey.
you. You're gone.
Big Bang Theory, the game. Training Power Pro HO train set. That's cool. FinTech. That's a big piece of art. Oh, these little willow trees. He found the s'mores maker. Uh-oh. We can't keep our fish tank clean. It's quite a challenge.
That once you put water, since it has salt water in it, tried, and for some reason, since it's such hard water,
Yeah.
it doesn't get quite clean.
Yeah. They're tough. It's like a full-time job managing one of those. Yeah. These are nice bags. Hi, Sierra. Oh, Jumanji. Feels like DVDs are going out of fashion, huh?
Yeah, because I can pull anything down if I'm, Huluing or...
30 bucks? 30 bucks for the box?
Yes.
I'll take that. Will you throw in the hat? Okay, cool. Cool. Ah, that's the problem with these gloves.
Right?
Yeah, it's hard to get your money out.
Same time down.
20. Here's 20. I'll give you one more. Hold on. It's just like stuck together. Eh. You know, the ATM gives them like super crisp.
Right?
There you go. That's mine. Let me look one more time, but you can put your cards in that box sealer if you want. What's that thing? Water speaker. That's cool. Clarinet. Hold on. This clarinet works and everything?
Yes. It's a nice clarinet. It's just
Yeah.
I've gone for 4 kids.
This cow looks like it's cool. And the train set. Would you do the train set and the clarinet for 30? Oh, you're fine. Would you do 30 for the clarinet and the train set? $30?
The train set is definitely my son's.
Oh, is it?
Share with him. Could you do 35?
Yeah, I could do that. It's fair. I don't want to. Then you'd only get 10
no,
for the
I have to-
clarinet.
exactly,
Yeah.
I'm like,
yeah.
golly.
Yeah, I gotcha.
If he's gonna have to hurt, I'm gonna hurt.
Here's 20, 30, Let me find the 5 if I've got one. Oh, I do.
Perfect.
There you go.
Sure.
Yeah, it's hard to tell. That's kind of cool.
Anything that's not marked is $1.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah, the inside is you can take it out, so
Yeah,
it could be a division thing or.
I'll get that too. Definitely cool. No longer a Cowboys fan?
No, I always am. Don't get me wrong, but you know, a girl can only have so much from
Yeah,
Texas.
yeah, exactly. Are you from Texas?
I
or?
am.
Okay. That's cool. You never use this?
No, I did not.
Oh, that's cool. Does it do just? Oh, it does a couple of them too.
And yeah, it's actually pretty cool because it has all the that you can see mine along the tree.
Oh yeah.
So all of my kids did one, and I had an extra one, and it's just kind of fun to work with.
And it comes with a couple of them, right?
I don't know if it comes with
Or
a
is it
couple. I
just
think
one?
it's
Oh, it's just
one
one.
kit.
Okay, one.
Yeah, per box.
Gotcha. It's misleading because it had, but you can do any of
I
those
guess they're
options.
explaining or
Yeah.
showing you what different people did,
Okay.
or what you can do.
You getting a dancing water speaker?
Yeah, how much is it?
It's $1.
Okay.
If it's not marked, it's $1.
Alright.
I'm torn on this one.
It's gonna be a close up.
Take 3 on it.
Yeah, I'll do 3.
$3. I keep seeing stuff. I keep thinking I'm done, and then I see cool stuff like a lava lamp.
And everything does work. I'm not gonna not
Yeah.
after it doesn't work.
Man, that brings back some memories too, huh?
Right?
Now, let me do $3 on that. Oh, and it's a $5 keyboard too. Do you have the power cord for that?
I do not. It
That
does run out
always,
battery.
they always get lost.
They always get lost. So that's
$3. Oh, another Cowboys thing. You got lots of stuff.
I do.
What is that thing?
For
Waterproof.
For a truck.
Oh, I don't need that. Interesting. Okay, you know, these are cool too. I always wanted one of these. Yeah. Oh, it's got shelves. And that's $1?
Yep.
Yeah. I'll take that. Let me put it over here and then I'll get you $1. Is this part of it or this is separate?
I think that's separate.
Yeah, I think so too.
Yeah.
For like
It's
a
a
bowl
lid
or
for 'em.
something?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I'll do that other. I'll check and see.
Alright. Alright, we should go look at theirs, but this blown glass is really cool too.
It is really nice blown glass.
my hands still hurt.
Really? I just like the way those look. Those look really cool. Those are in the dollar camp. All these $1 items. So I could get the 3 willow trees and these 2 for $5, right?
Yep.
Yeah, I'll do that. It's a good deal. That's a bargain.
It is.
Yeah. Thank you. You gonna get s'mores maker? The boy wants s'mores. I mean, you're missing the star of the show, the fondue pot right next to it. Dip things in chocolate. No, I'm kidding. You get the s'more thing. That one's $5. I don't know if you knew that.
They're both fine.
Oh, are they? Alright, I think I'm finally done here. Anything else to know? What is that? Van Mark? I think that's that. That's the case for that.
Yeah, I know. I'm trying to get it in.
Oh, you're
I'm
buying
gonna-
it?
Yeah, I'm gonna buy it.
Oh, okay. This is cool too. When's the last time you visited Texas?
I go every 2 months.
Oh wow, nice.
Yeah. My mom still lives there. In
Whereabouts?
El Paso.
Oh, nice. Yeah. I've only been to Dallas, but I hope to visit more.
It's beautiful.
Big though.
I love my Texas.
Very big.
Very big. Yeah.
I get this bread maker too. Your bread maker works too?
It does.
No, I'll take that too. You got a lot of good stuff. The longer I stay, the more I spend. I should get out of here. It's got the insert in it. Yeah. Okay. Here, put it in the pile. Whatever you got over here. That's our pile of fun. All right. This is cool too. Dang it. We gotta leave. That, your mom would love that, Elijah.
Huh?
This little keyboard thing. Or not keyboard, chalkboard.
Oh, that's cool.
Where would she put it though? I've got to buy it. She'll get mad if I don't. Yeah. Look at that. One customer and your sales a success.
Right? Actually, it is. So yes.
You can't beat that.
And that was for the bread maker or the...
Bread maker, I already gave you 5.
You did?
I thought so. I had 4 5s. Let me see. I now have 0. So let's see. We did 35. So I gave you 1 5 there, 5 there, 5 there.
Think?
Oh, and 5 for these.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Didn't... Okay.
You should. Well, you can count it. Just double check. But I'm pretty sure I got you. Pretty sure. I don't want to. Let me do my total here. 30 for that. Okay, 81 is my total. And then what did he spend? What did you spend total?
I don't know.
All right. I have 97 here.
So you spent okay. And that's all what we've given you.
Yeah. Yeah. I haven't.
Yeah, so if I had 85, let me just add up what did you spend on the 2 little thingies? The boxes?
I also got another thing, so 10.
You spent 10 total? How much have you spent total?
He spent 10, and then he got the
12. I think.
12.
And I'm about to spend more.
Works too?
It does.
No, I'll take that too. You got a lot of good stuff.
Go, you got your fishing rods.
Thank you.
What are you gonna do with all those big fishing rods?
Huh?
Alright, you gotta carry them. Alright, thank you guys. We'll come back for this in just a second.
Okay.
Hey everyone, thanks for coming with me to that early morning yard sale. Me and my son, I think we did okay. It was the first one of the day and it was fun. Let me see. So right now my whole area where I process all my stuff is just a huge mess. This is the shrapnel from the yard sales yesterday and starting to list stuff. So it's a huge mess. You'll have to forgive me. And we'll kind of like look around and try to find the stuff we bought. So we did get this HO train set and the clarinet for 35 bucks. This train set does look like it's selling for around $100 and it looks really nice condition. I opened it up and it's mint. So that's cool. The clarinet doesn't seem as good. Like maybe it's worth $35, $40. So, I mean, the clarinet should sell and pay for everything for those 2 items. But they weren't amazing. This hat I mostly got just because it's cool. Gave me nostalgia. I did look it up. It looks like it sells for around 15 bucks, 10, 15 bucks. So might keep it, might sell it. Haven't decided. Did stumble upon that Xbox bundle. I went through that last night. Console's over here. It works fine. The only problem with it is the controllers one of them didn't have the battery back. And the other one had a lot of corrosion in the battery compartment. Now I do have an Xbox 360 in my house. And so I had some different battery backs that I could put on it, and I did confirm, like you can see here, that they do work. I just need new battery backs. So I ordered 2 battery backs on eBay for $5. It was actually $5 for 2. Super cheap. Once I get those, I'll list them with the system and a couple of the games that weren't worth much, like these ones here, Dungeon Siege, Halo, and FIFA. I figure I can bundle that all together and get maybe $100 bucks. That's the Xbox 360 Elite. 2 controllers and a couple games. I paid, what did I pay? 30 bucks for the whole thing, I think. So that's where I'll get most of my money back. It also had a couple of games in there that were good. And I think I put them right here so I can grab them really quick. Had GTA 5. That's always a good 10, 15 bucks. Back Again. That's another 10, 15 bucks. Naruto, 10-15 bucks there. And I think Sims was like $8-9. So just those games will pay for that Xbox 360 buy, and then whatever I sell the console and all the games for will be profit. And I did test the console. I deleted all the stuff off the hard drive yesterday. It works great. So that was a good buy. So as I go through my stuff, I also got these there, 2 willow trees. This one's actually not a willow tree. I don't know if it's worth anything. It's American Greetings. I kind of got tricked. I thought it was tricked by my own eyes. I thought it was a willow tree, but it's clearly different. These two are really old, 1999 and 2000, I think. And it looks like they're selling for around 14 bucks plus shipping each. So those were really nice, you know, for $1. I got those blown glass things, the vases, the vases, whatever. I don't know anything about those. I just thought they look cool. I don't know if they have any value. I might put them up here, but I'll definitely look them up and see if they are worth anything. I just don't know. I thought they were cool looking. Let's see. What else did I get? Oh, I got that bread maker, and I got that thing to hang on the wall that's like got little barn doors, and it's a chalkboard. That one went inside the house. My wife liked it. I figured she would, and so we'll probably keep that. And let me look up this bread maker real quick. Yeah, I kind of thought that might be the case. The bread maker is not great as like a full item to sell. As I look on eBay, it looks like it sells for $10 to $15. But I do know you can part out the stuff inside. And so you saw me open it up at the sale and make sure that this part was in here, because you can actually sell this piece alone for 12 bucks. So I knew once I saw that I could just sell that and it would pay for the bread maker and everything else would be profit. I can actually part this out too, probably for another 15 bucks. That's most likely what I'll do, is just sell those 2 pieces and get rid of the bread maker itself. So yeah, that was fine. Yeah, that's most of what I got. I'm not remembering anything else I got. I know my son got a bunch of good stuff. He bought these 2 bags of cars. He's like so good at spotting these car bags, and there's often good things in them. They're 50 cents a piece, and he bought those. And, you know, it's all well and good, right? A lot of cars aren't worth much. I think you car professionals have to write me and tell me what we should look out for. I thought I read you look for stuff made in Hong Kong, and that can be pretty good. There was one in here that caught my eye. Let's see if I can find it real quick. Yeah, this one, the Incredible Hulk, Hot Wheels, 1976 Hong Kong. That one looked good, but the real reason he bought it is because he's scored like this before. In all the mix was a ton of these. And I don't know if you guys remember these, or if you're too young to remember them, but these are all Micro Machines from Galoob. And these can be really solid. They're always worth buying, especially 50 cents a bag. This one in there, he said he looked it up last night. It's got sold at $35 for this one car. And so I'm sure, and a lot of them are $4 or $5, but again, $4 or $5 for a little car, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, you know, it adds up really quick if they're all worth $5. But he was finding quite a few. I think these 2 both were worth good money. These, what are these, Lamborghinis? I don't know. I'm not a car guy, but yeah. So he did really well with that. He bought the fishing poles that I tried to encourage him not to, because I already have too much stuff in here and I didn't want to store them, and I don't know what they're worth. I know nothing about fishing poles, but we have them. We'll look at them later. Oh, the Xbox also came with this Kinect. These aren't worth much, maybe 10 bucks, but you know, I could list it and sell it. And yeah, I think, you know, if you want to see more and see what I sell everything for and kind of get into all the details, check out my NC Flipper channel. It's just like this one, except instead of going to the yard sales and sourcing, I actually talk about my listings. I talk about what's sold, things like that. And yeah, just a lot more good fun. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye.